What's up, beautiful? Let's unbox my car lip gloss. Okay, the girls have been loving the Edam lip balm. I got the one in Butter Mochi, which is the clear one. I've been lucky enough to find the clear one every time I look for it. Now, I've only been to 2 Sephora's, and every time I went in, they have had at least one of these. So definitely make sure you check out your Sephora if you are looking for Edam lip balm. Without further ado, let's open her up. We love the silver packaging. So cute, so sleek. It is the lip softening balm. It says Le Chouchou. What did it say? Y'all tell me. Le Chouchou? I don't know, but let's put some on. Here's what she looks like. Clear. Feels so good and hydrating on the lips. Definitely let me know down in the comments below if you have tried any of the Edam lip balms. They have multiple kinds, multiple flavors, all the good stuff. So definitely go to your local Sephora, check her out. And again, let me know down below if you like your Edam lip balm or if you've ever tried it out.